rainbow learning.
Hi kids, let's learn counting with tracing 1 to 10. Let's go. 1. Trace 1. 1. 1. Yay! We do it. 2. Let's trace 2. 2. Yeah. Good job. Let's trace 3. 3. 3. 3. Yay! Good job. Let's trace 4. 4. 4. 4. Yay! Well done. 5. 5. 5. Yay! Good job. Let's trace 6. 6. 6. Yay! We done it. 7. 7. 7. Yay! Good job. Now trace 8. 8. 8. 8. Yay! Good job. Let's trace 9. 9. Yay! We done it. Let's trace 10. 10. 1. 0. 10. Yay! Good job. So that was a counting 1 to 10. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe for more videos.